Okay, faulty seat switch in a 350 370 Z. Going to attempt to do a repair on it. We'll see how we go. This is a PH2. It's not Phillips head, but it will hold onto the screw better. Like so. See how it holds onto the screw? Very important. Okay, seat switch. It's this back one that's not working. So what you do is you pull it out of its cover. Now undo these little clips around the outside. And it'll be spring loaded. And springs and balls will go everywhere. That's the reason why it doesn't work, is those contacts there aren't touching. Oh. Do you see the contact there? A little bit of sandpaper. Yeah, clean those contacts. There's two notches on either side that fit in the saddle. Now the tricky part. These springs fall out of here when you go to tip it up. Tip it up, the spring falls out. So, and what will help is super glue. Get the end of the spring, put a little bit of super glue on and put it in there. Get the other one. See glue on it. Put it in there. Springs. Put a little super glue on it. Put it in there. Other spring. Put a bit of super glue on it. Put it in there. Now the spring doesn't fall out. Put the ball bearing in there. Put the ball bearing in there. If you look at this one here, the D goes that direction. The round bit and the square bit. So the spring pushes towards the D that way. Which means that one goes over there like that. And this one goes over here like this. Nice and delicate and easy, isn't it?
No, you need fine, long-nosed pliers, don't you?
So now what I do is I put that over there like that. Get this end.
Do you need me to hold anything?
No, that's right. Push that one in.
Push that one in.
Clip it down on. And cross my fingers that that one there works and that one there works. But you always check it that means the spring's in. If you go to do that and it doesn't work, take it back off again. But you got all those sides clipped on. Now we test it in the car before we get carried away doing anything else.